Alright, hi. I've made some changes from that last video where I showed you how we handled our wastewater and fresh water over here. And I've made a couple of changes. One of them is that I made a composting toilet so that I didn't have to fill my black tank up and haul poo back out of here, which was a big pain in the ass. For hanging out at courtside, I guess it works out, but over here, you know, hanging out on your land and on where you're building a house is not so practical. So anyway, what I have in view for the future on that system, though, is I'm going to go to a 3-tank, 55-gallon system where we have one active tank and 2 tanks on standby, and you just move the toilet from one tank as you fill it up and put a cover on top of it. I saw this system from a paper from I believe it was the University of Arizona, and I'll link it when I show that video of us putting that thing together, which will be shortly. So if you're interested in it, you know, subscribe and watch. Now, as far as the water is concerned, I changed the water over from those 55-gallon drums to the 275-gallon or 1,000-liter IBC totes. And I got 3 of those set up here, one of them being empty and 2 of them, you know, full, and use the empty one to run back into town and pick up some more water and then just pump it into it. It seems to work real well. And we have endless hot showers now. It is the good part of that. Or, well, I'm not going to use 275 gallons on a damn shower, but my wife might. Also, I use the pump directly from those totes, and I just plumb that into the outside spigot supply that you would set up at an RV park, and I don't have to hear the pump in the shower anymore, or even for that matter inside the unit anywhere when I'm washing dishes. So it's a lot quieter inside the Bigfoot now. So that works nice, and I'll take you over and show you what we're doing there. I'm not going to show you a composting toilet because you can Google that up and see lots of those in the 5-gallon bucket varieties. What you're not going to see is the 35-gallon systems, which we're going to be building up. So anyway, stay tuned on that. Let me go outside and show you what we're doing here. So here are the IBC totes that we were talking about. I'll take that one over there back to Denver with me. And these ones here, I've used quite a bit of water in the last 2 weeks. But I'll bring another tote out next weekend when I come through. And so we just use an on-demand pump right here into here. I need to cut myself a little hole the size of this tubing to keep stuff out of there. I've even run the solar panel to run the pump if you got electricity. Other than that, I just hook it to a battery. And then, as I said, this is just hooked up over here. Works very well. You can tell I've been playing around with it this weekend. So enough for now. Don't want to bore the shit out of anybody. So if you want to watch that other 3-tote composting toilet, just subscribe. Thanks a lot. Later.